Hi everyone, my name's Chris and I'm Rehoboth's College Captain for 2020.
And my name is Rebecca and I am the College Vice Captain for this year. Together as school captains, Chris and I lead a team of Year 12 student leaders who make up the Student Prefect Council, and we have regular fortnightly meetings to make sure that we're keeping up with our goals and initiatives that we've set for you guys this year.
Our theme for this year is United. The irony is not lost on us that our goal for the school to become closer together is coming at a time where we're being told to stay further apart. In light of this, it is still one of our main goals to be as involved with the entire school as possible. This includes things like the Student Representatives Initiative, which we hope ensures that all students feel like there is someone to represent them.
In line with our theme of being united this year, we wanted to make sure that everyone in the school fully understands what we do as a Student Prefect Council, and that's what this video is all about. We're going to run you guys through the different teams and members of the council and what they do and their roles and responsibilities, and just so that you guys can have a better understanding of who we are. Due to coronavirus restrictions, a lot of school events have been cancelled, including the Inter-School Swimming Carnival, assemblies, cadets, band and other clubs, and we really do understand the frustration and inconvenience that this has been for you all, and we apologise for that. We also wanted to get this information out to you guys at an earlier date in the form of an assembly, but unfortunately those were cancelled, and the filming of this video was delayed due to certain members of the council isolating over the last few months. But we are really keen and excited to get this video out to you guys, and we hope that you enjoy it.
Hi, my name is Prefect. I am the Treasurer for the 2020 Student Council. My main role is to manage the funds for the Student Council, and I work with the members of the council, especially the social team, and I also work with the office ladies.
Hi, my name is Miriam. I'm the college student secretary, and my job is to organize all the meetings that we have as a student committee. And so I remind people of when the meetings are, and then I get them to send me any other discussion points for the meeting. And then during the meetings, I also write all the notes or the minutes for the meetings so that people can then go and see what we were talking about, or if they weren't there, they can see all the notes. And that will keep people all on the same page, and we can all be in unity with what we're doing, and it helps to keep everybody together.
Hi, I'm Michaela, the college historian.
I'm Cheryl, her assistant.
And together we work with Mrs. Lowen, the principal, and Mr. Miller, the project manager, as well as Mr. Vasquez and other teachers, to write articles and keep you guys updated, and we collect them all to put in the yearbook at the end of the year.
We also have a vlog, and if you guys have some free time, you guys can go check it out.
Hi, I'm Brody.
And I'm Nikita.
Our goal as the sports captains is to help organise various sporting activities where we enjoy seeing you compete for your house.
This year we will strive to keep you frequently updated on points.
Our regular tasks involve working closely with Mr. D and helping on Tuesday lunchtimes, where we love seeing you, the school unite around sport. We also work closely with Diego, who is one of our vice captains.
We feel your disappointment about the cancellation of the ACC Swimming Carnival, and we want to organise some fun games or sport to make up for it.
If you have any new ideas, we will do our best to see those come to life.
Hello, my name is Jason.
And I'm Jahoni.
And we are the Cadet Captains of 2020. And as Cadet Captains, our role is to represent the cadets, whether it be in the student council meetings or regular cadet meetings. We also take a part in organising cadet events, such as cadet camps.
Due to coronavirus, we're unable to continue with cadets. If you want to join cadets, please talk to either me or Jason or Mr. De Bruin.
We are trying our best to continue cadets as a program through online teams. If you have any questions or even suggestions on how to improve this, please talk to us or Mr. De Bruin.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm the music captain for 2020, and this year I'm working with Mr. Thompson to try remote music and make it a major part of our school life. Later this term, we're hoping to get up and running a lunchtime performance where we'll be able to give as many people as possible a chance to perform and get used to that setting. If you have any questions or ideas, just come to me or Mr. Thompson.
Hi, I'm Melissa and I'm the missions captain for Rehoboth 2020. Some of the things I'm involved in is helping to raise money and plan fundraisers for different missions trips, such as the Leonora Bush missions trip, the Indonesian missions trip, and the Philippines missions trip. Currently, these are all postponed due to Corona or just on hold. So we don't really know what's going on with those, but hopefully they can go back on track soon. We are currently trying to plan themes for different mission supports days, which is previously known as non-uniform day. If you have any ideas for themes or any questions or just input, please come to me. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Marcus.
Hi, I'm Sinead and we're the Student Welfare Captains.
Hi, I'm Rachel. Hi, I'm Miriam and we're the mentors.
Our role is to look after the welfare of the students, you guys.
Some of the things we do are work with teachers so we can organise things for you, like lunchtime prayer meetings, PCG groups, that sort of thing.
And us as the mentors, we're here to talk to you guys if you need to talk about anything at all. We're here to love on you and we're here to share God's word with you or even talk about anything at all.
Our goal this year is to be more involved in other year groups and get to know you guys.
Please don't ever hesitate to come and talk to any of us. Plus, trust me, we don't bite.
I'm Darcy and I'm the social captain.
Hi, I'm Hannah.
And I'm Anandi, and Hannah and I are the biosocial captains this year.
Our role at Rehoboth is to plan and organise the school events such as
the Teen Challenge Ball, EXO Day, farewell dinners, and we also get the opportunity to help out a little bit with the Year 10 river groups.
Unfortunately, due to unforeseen circumstances, we had to postpone the Teen Challenge Ball to the end of the year. While this is really saddening, we still have high spirits and are planning on doing the best of our ability to make sure it's a great night for everyone.
In addition to this, we're hoping to have as much input from you guys as possible and would love to get some feedback, support, anything you guys have to offer.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope it was really helpful and informative to you guys so that you can learn a bit more about your student leaders. Rebecca and I are always willing to have a chat at any time, so if you have any issues or concerns or even suggestions, please find us and have a chat. You can find us in person or you can send us an email or use the communication boxes around the school. I hope that you guys have a really good holidays and I can't wait to see you guys back in term 3.